Okay, Carvana.
Pretty much a car vending machine.
Yeah, it is. It's a car vending machine just south of Nashville, Tennessee. Technically, it's still in Nashville, I believe. It's not quite ultimate vending. You still have to type in a code that you got online. Blah blah blah. Then allegedly, your card gets dispensed at this huge vending machine here. A little bit crazy, right? Crazy. Let's see it inside. Yeah, look at that. That's nuts. I wonder if that's more efficient, do you think?
Might be. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a plate there, then I guess it just throws your card down. Yeah, well, I mean, that's it really. I think they have a few in there right now. Or does it drive itself to the end?
I don't know. It reminds me of that 13 Ghosts movie.
Yeah, it does a bit, doesn't it? Yeah, there's one up there. Yeah, so maybe he just gets kind of brought down here and shifted across then onto there, then I don't know, the little thing takes him to the end. Easy? Pick it up.